everybody. I hope you are having a wonderful day. You want me?
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new.
Hi.
Hi! We'd love for you to come and be a part of our wonderful YouTube community. Today I think I'm going to be taking the girls to the mall because we need to get out of the house. We've been stuck in this house for so long. Maddie, look! Hi! Madison! Boo! Hi, Stella! Stella's looking for you. Look, she just went through the tunnel. Run! Run! Where'd she go? Oh. So it's much later in the day. We're home. I got this. My sister got me this from the mall, and I love it. We got Maddie's haircut. If I remember, I'll put pictures in right here. It was her first wash at a salon, so it was so cute, and she loved it so much. I have to do that for her more often. We went to Dollar Tree because Maddie did so good at the salon. I just got her some toys. Chase is now home. He just finished homework. I'm about to finish editing, and then I'm going to film a new video. Maybe one or maybe two. Steven's on his way home. He should be home soon. Kids are all just playing out in the living room. Let's go see what they're up to. Hi!
Hi. Look at my baby.
That's such a cute baby.
Daddy, watch this.
Oh no, she's crying. Hey, mister.
Hey.
He had green hair this morning for Wacky Hair Day. I'll put a picture in right here. He had green hair. I washed it out. We changed his shirt. He actually got this shirt today at the mall. Let me see your shirt. Aunt Marie got it for him. Cute.
I like.
Oh, let's see your haircut. Stand up. Let me see. Let's see how pretty. Turn. Let me see your haircut. So we just got it trimmed up a little bit. It was probably this long before.
Yeah, cool touch.
She keeps moving. It was probably like this long. Not that much was cut off. The lady blow dried it out. She looks super cute. She had her hair green too. That's why her neck is all green. Stella, what are you doing? Oh, show Chasey your ball. Where's yours? Oh, what'd you get?
The cube.
A star cube, like
Yeah.
a Rubik's cube.
Yeah. So you gotta
Here,
make the.
tell the camera.
You gotta make the costume match. I'll show you. Are you ready? Wow. This is super hard to get. For this,
No, Stella.
we'll get cute. You actually gotta match the color.
Here, Stella.
See you later. Bye.
You showing them the ball?
All right, so we're actually going on a walk right now. It's actually it's a little chilly out, but it's not that bad. I gotta grab the stroller out of the car for her. Pop this open, like so. Hold you and Stella in this hand. Grab the stroller out with this hand. Look at that, one-handed. One-handedness. You all ready, Stella? You all ready? Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Yeah?
I'm so excited. I brought my baby.
Yeah, they're going in this thing. Bobber. It's like the thing that you hook up to the bicycle there, but it's got the stroller attachment too. So that's really cool. So let's get on with our little walk here.
Baby.
Guys, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look at Daddy.
Say hi. Stella, are you having fun?
Say hi.
It is getting a bit dark out. This is kind of a late walk. I think she went out on a walk yesterday, right?
Yeah.
But I love the low light on this thing. You can see like clearly, right?
Yeah.
Right? We're gonna loop around and then head on back home.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming and hanging out with us today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, family is forever. Don't waste a moment of it, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!
Bye.
Bye!